Okay, so just to clarify the directions on this assignment, in number one, you'll just simply graph x equals 2y squared. So your only answer for that will just be the graph of that function. In number two, you're going to graph y equals 3 cosine of 2x minus 4 and its parent graph. The parent graph of this function is just y equals cosine of x. So you will graph that function that you see there I'm pointing to, as well as y equals cosine of x, and then you'll find one point of intersection. In number three, this is the inverse cotangent. A lot of students miss this one, and you do need to probably do like a Google search or something for the inverse cotangent. You can also go to the course homepage and click AP Calc BC Help Files. Once you do that, it will open all of our help files, and you can click on this module, which is preparation for calculus, and you actually see that I've provided a hint for you there. So that will also help you, and if it doesn't enough, definitely do some type of a web search or something. Let's see, and then this one, y equals 1/3 natural log of x and its parent graph. Well, the parent graph would be just natural log of x. You don't have to provide an intersection for that one. It just is simply both of those graphs on the same graph, y equals 1/3 natural log of x and y equals natural log of x. Then for number five, you're going to, I think this is supposed to have a y equals. I probably just didn't copy it when I copied and pasted here, but you're going to graph the greatest integer function, y equals the greatest integer of 0.5 times x, and then subtract 2, and its parent graph. Well, the parent graph is just y equals the greatest integer of x. Or greatest integer less than or equal to x. So these would just be like, transformations on the original parent graph. And then number six, you did a really good job on this one. That's just going to be, where you calculate the regression line and you create you create the scatter plot and you calculate the line of best fit. You can use a calculator to do that. And you also want to provide a graph of the line of best fit on the scatter plot. Also make sure that you provide, and I'll put this over here too, insert the scatter plot with the line of best fit and provide a table of values and equation for the line of best fit. If you're wondering where I got these files, although they are in the course, you can also go to those AP Calculus BC help files and click on Calculus Project Answer Forms, and you'll see all of the projects for the entire course, first semester and second semester. So let me know if you have any questions.